Welcome to this quick guide on downloading and using the raw data reports in the ChromeOS Readiness tool. The raw data reports are available in the report generator under the Raw Data Reports button. These reports provide detailed insights into your organization's device readiness and peripheral usage. To download, simply click Raw Data Reports, select the destination folder, and save. You'll receive 3 key reports: Overview of device readiness in an organization, Overview of ready with verification and blocked from switching devices, Overview of peripherals in an organization. These raw data reports are compatible with visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, Looker, and many others, enabling you to create custom dashboards and insights tailored to your organization's needs. With these reports, you can track device readiness, analyze peripheral compatibility, and monitor migration progress, making data-driven decisions for a smoother ChromeOS adoption. Start leveraging the raw data reports today and gain deeper insights into your organization's readiness for ChromeOS.